Personal property tax bills are mailed in the summer and payment is due October 5th. In order to ensure the safety of taxpayers and employees during the pandemic, we strongly encourage taxpayers to pay online at fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes or by phone by calling 703-222-8234. E-check payments are free and secure. A service fee applies to credit or debit card payments. You may also mail your payment in by October 5th. Payments will be considered on time as long as the envelope is postmarked on October 5th or prior. For your convenience, you may drop off your payment at any of the 6 Fairfax County Library locations from September 15th to October 5th. Reston, Sherwood, George Mason, Dolly Madison, Oakton, and Burke Center. There are also 3 red drop-off boxes at the Government Center complex parking lots. If you normally pay in cash, please consider purchasing a money order before mailing the payment. If you must visit us in person, our full-service cashiering counter at the Government Center is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. For your safety and ours, a face mask and social distancing are required. For more information, please visit the Department of Tax Administration online at fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes. Email us at dtappd@fairfaxcounty.gov or call 703-222-8234, TTY 711.